Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnar as well. So guys, we have two off-campus recruitment drives. So one is from Zoho, which is for technical support engineer, and the other one is from Fidelity India. So let's discuss like each and everything in details, the eligibility and everything. So for Zoho, it is technical support engineer, and yes, the skills would be required as excellent written and verbal communication skills and problem solving skills, and keen to learn new technologies, etc. And you will be also facing clients, you'll be working with clients as well. So this is totally for freshers, and yes, experience up to 2 years can apply for this particular profile. And job description would be as a support engineer and would need to understand customer queries and answer the queries in timely manner, diagnose, research, analysis, analyze the issues basically by the customer in the product, deliver voice, email, chat based technical support, and willingness to work night shift. So this will be 24/7 shift basically. This was the overall profile, and yeah, graduates would be eligible for this. Then nothing, I mean, such a branch or it is mentioned, but yes, you can apply. It is not mentioned as such. So this is the entire application form. You just need to fill in the details. It's a very basic form. Upload your resume, the updated one, and you can submit this. So this is how you're going to apply, and after that you'll get an email for shortlisting, and then further rounds would happen, like your aptitude test basically, and then your technical round, etc. So you'll get the notice before that. Next is guys Fidelity India. This is for software associate software engineer, and yes, you can just check out the profile here. What all eligibility and this is required. I mean, you have to play role of techno functional consultant, then implement, configure Oracle apps, HRMS and OABS. Then these are basically skill. I mean, the job role you'll be doing. Then technical skills is required is like basic algorithm skills, then technical logical reasoning and analytical thinking, good command over PL and SQL and Oracle apps, HRMS and OAB, which we have discussed, and excellent communication skills. So these are the skills required. So the graduation is must here, which is BTech, BE and MCA, and if you have any kind of certifications and all, that will be a plus point. So this is how I mean, this is the eligibility, and you can just go through in details and apply. If you want to apply, you can just click here on. So you have to sign up first, you have to create the profile, and then save and continue, or you can skip and then create your account, and this is how you're going to apply. So these were two basic job roles, which is Fidelity and the Zoho. So any doubt or query, let me know in the comment section, share with your friends, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest updates, guys. Till then guys, have a great day, be safe.